It is now March and my income has exploded on the TikTok affiliate program. It's now August currently, but I'm going through my entire earnings from January 2024 to current to show everyone just how easy it is to make money with this platform. I'm giving you guys the information that you can utilize to help you grow your account, and I deep dive as well on my blog. Hi, my name is Shay. I talk about the Amazon Vine influencer and the TikTok affiliate program and anything else. I make money. So let's get into all the information so you can find out how you can make some money on this platform as well. I do deep dive, as I mentioned, on my blog. I will have my blog listed in the description along with the top 2 products I sold and some videos to give you for reference so you can make this amount of money too. Now, I also like to talk about the followers I have amassed. And as you see, from March the 1st to March the 31st, I grew my following by 227 followers. So let's talk about how much I made. So this is a little awkward and a little, I don't know, because it says my settled earnings was $988. That's how much I got inside of my bank account that I withdrew from TikTok. But my estimated commissions was $978. Now, I have a theory of why that happened, and I will talk to you about that in a few seconds. But this is what I want to make sure people understand. When you see people talk about the estimated commissions and show that image, that number is not true. The number could be more, as you see in my case, or it could be significantly less because if someone cancels an item, that reflects in the decrease in your commissions. But I was able to get almost $1,000 for the month of March. And I talked about the things I needed to work on in my last video for February. So if you haven't seen that, I have that linked in the description to go see what areas I needed to pinpoint on that helped me get to this number. So, if you're unaware of ineligible orders, this is all of the orders customers have canceled. And for me, I had 56 total. So that decreased my commissions. However, we saw that my income was actually more when I got in my bank account than what TikTok had estimated. And I want to assume this all happened because when I looked at my analytics, I had many people ordering the items at the end of the month and my commissions was not paid to me until like April. Even though it was given to me my money in April, the order happened in March. And maybe that's why it was a continuation of filling my bucket for March from the income that came in for April. That's the only idea I can come up with that makes sense because every other month after this and before this never had happened, but only in this one time. Or maybe TikTok didn't give me some money from previously. I'm not sure, but that's just my idea. Now let's get to the good stuff. What people actually purchased that helped me make close to $1,000 in March. As I mentioned previously, I am taking products that I only have around my house. Some things, maybe less than a handful of things that I have reviewed as an Amazon Viner. And TikTok actually gave me the option to pick some products for free samples. So the calculator you see here was something I had received from the Vine program. I thought it was a really cool calculator. I wanted to have it for my desk. I had it for over 2 years and I just randomly wanted to see, hey, was this something someone had for sale on TikTok? They did. I made a video. It went crazy. It actually went viral, over 90,000 views, and a bunch of sales. And this was like the beginning stages of this calculator, which I want to say jump started me to making more money. The portable clothes dryer was something I had got for a free sample from TikTok. And that was something that I wanted based upon we traveling and not wanting to spend money for dryers at the hotel because it's like a waste. And I just showed that basically with a simple video. I have that linked in my old blog post for last month to show you that video as well. It was very simple and easy. The next one was the makeup organizer. This one I got as a free sample from TikTok. I mean, I needed something to hold my stuff in the bathroom. And again, a simple video showing me using it, following some music. This was kind of during like a little trend of people talking about makeup organizers and they was doing a certain kind of motion in the videos. And so I just mimicked those motions, did my own music, my own way, my own thing, and I got some sales from it. One of the trendy items on this page is this cheeseburger backpack that I also got from a free sample on TikTok. I just randomly was looking at different products, wanted to see was there a product that I can, make a video for that would possibly get interest. I found one and I got a sale from that. The speaker came from a Vine review from a long time ago. I got it from my children and I was again looking around my house to see what I actually have on hand that someone is selling on the TikTok shop, and I got a sale from that. And from the heating pad, this is one of those need-based items. I feel like I'm going to get sales forever, not all the time, but sporadically, because people, especially women, love to have heating pads for their cycles and other things, especially for body aches and whatever. Plus, I just love a heating pad, and this one feels phenomenal. I still use this thing every single day. I love it. But with the overall look at my March money and what products actually sold, it really did help me deep dive in February where I wanted to go, what I needed to do, and everything else. It's always changing, this platform, especially how much you make. Popular products, which give you a lot of money one month, won't do it the next month, and then randomly it does it again. I'm seeing a bunch of up and downs, and I'm not getting emotional or like feeling like I'm a failure, because I understand that social media is a game and you have to just play it until it's no longer available. Being strategic with your actions, being intentional with your actions, and learning from others, because TikTok, if you don't know, watch other people, listen to what they say for their advice, take from their advice and use it in your own way to make your content. And that is what I have done repeatedly. And every time I've done that, I've seen a growth in my followers and also my income. I hope this video gave you some type of encouragement or some type of information to use for your own account. If you haven't followed me, please do so and like the video for the algorithm.